Hello everyone, I apologize for being late. I got busy working and let the time slip away. I hope all of you are doing well tonight and you are having a great evening. If you remember, I told you yesterday that tonight I would demonstrate how to pin videos to Pinterest. And so what I want to do is to share my screen so that I can show you that. And just to let you know that I use Zoom to do my Facebook Lives like this. But if you're doing just a regular Facebook Live, there are also, yesterday Jessica talked about that there are programs out there that you can use to where it will automatically save a copy of this for you. But if not, then what you can do is you can go to the video of your Facebook Live. For example, this one that I did yesterday with Jessica. And if you click up here, then what it will do is, and then right here, if you click on this, you notice it says to download it. And so you download it to your PC, or your Mac. You download it to your computer, And then what you have to do is, let me get this over here so it's on my screen share. Then what you have to do after you have downloaded it to your computer is you then have to upload it to YouTube, And then once you upload it to YouTube, then what you can do is, and let me just use one I've already uploaded here. I'm going to take this one right here. If you go to the video here, you see the share button here. When you click on that, then you have your Pinterest button there. And then you just select which board you want to pin it on. And so, for example, for me, I would pin it on my Facebook Live marketing board and I would save it. And then I could click on See It Now to make sure it's there. And voila, there it is on my Pinterest board. And so now people can see it. So on my boards, and there is the video that I just saved to Pinterest. See how easy that is? And then of course, you can go in there and you can edit and add a description. So for example, see, this one doesn't have a description. So I'd want to make sure that I added my description here with my keywords. And so, any videos, as long as you upload them to YouTube, you can pin them directly onto your Pinterest account, and it can add to the quality of the way you're using your Facebook Live. I hope that's been helpful for you. And until next week, this is Anna signing off and traveling on down the Pinterest Superhighway.